Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some curry fish. Today I'm using some Basa Fish Fillet which I've just washed in lemon juice. I also gently squeezed out some of the excess water because later on when we sear it, we want it to sear well. So I'm going to season them up with some of the seasoning blend that I have here, and this is just onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika, and a little bit of the curry powder as well. Even though I'm using this type of fish, any fish fillet of your choice can be used. So now I'm going to cover this and allow it to marinate for at least 15 minutes while I work on the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to be adding some fresh herbs as well. You can chop yours up, but I just find it so much easier to blend them. So in goes some scallion, onion, couple cloves of garlic, a 1/4 inch of ginger which I've already chopped up in order to prevent any big chunks after I blend them, a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper for some heat, some pimento or allspice with that which I've already smashed with my knife in order to prevent any chunks as well, and a couple sprigs of fresh thyme. By the way, this is essentially my green seasoning blend, so if you have some of that made, you can just use 2 to 3 tablespoons. I've chosen to do this from scratch because whether or not you have the green seasoning made, the recipe will be easier for you to follow. So I'll link the video above as well as in the description below. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to blend. I wanted the texture to be a little bit chunky like this. I'm also going to be adding some vegetables. You can leave them out if you wish or add whatever vegetables you like. So I have here some sweet pepper or bell pepper, carrots, and chocho. Same thing as shallot squash, as some people may know it as. To my skillet here, I'm going to heat up a couple tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat. Any oil of your choice can be used. Once my oil heats up, I'm going to drop my fillet pieces in and sear for just a couple seconds per side. This type of fish is very buttery and delicate, so you don't want to overcook it. Plus, remember, we're going to be cooking it down in a sauce later on. Alright, so I've reduced the flame to low, and in whatever oil that's left, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of curry powder. And I'm going to saute this in the oil for a few seconds. Next, I'm going to add my seasoning blend. Now I'm going to turn up my flame a little bit higher. And now I'm going to add a cup of water. At this point, you can go ahead and taste and see if your pot needs anything and adjust according to your preference. I didn't season the fish with much salt because based on the package, it has some amount of sodium. So like I always suggest or encourage you, taste and adjust or salt your food according to your preference. So I'm going to add my vegetables and let them cook a bit before I add my fish. So now that these have softened a bit, I'm going to go ahead and add back in my fish. And I'm going to allow this to simmer for another 2 minutes, after which it should be done. Alright guys, so my fish is now done. I'm just gonna finish off with a pinch more salt. I hope you get the chance to try this delicious curry fish recipe. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. It helps the video and the channel when you do. You're welcome to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_, and don't forget to follow me as well. My other socials are also linked down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.